Hello, in this lesson we will be solving two-step equations with fractions. So two-step equations feel harder when you see fractions, but the steps are the same. So I'll show every step slowly and clearly. So here's the goal. The goal is to get x by itself, and when fractions are involved, a helpful move is to clear the fraction or get rid of the fraction first by using the least common denominator or the LCD. And so this means we multiply every term by the denominator. So let's go ahead and start. So we see here x divided by 3. The denominator is 3, so what I'll do is multiply every term by 3 to get rid of the fraction. So let's go ahead and set this up. So we'll say 3, so we're multiplying 3 times x divided by 3 plus 5 equals 11. But remember, whatever you do to one side, you do to the other, so you're also multiplying by 3 on the right side. Okay, so the next thing to do is distribute the 3 to each term within the parentheses. Okay, and so now you can see here we multiply 3 times x divided by 3, but notice the 3's cancel out. So we are left with x. So we'll place x here. And then we're multiplying 3 times positive 5, which equals positive 15. So we have x plus 15 set equal to 11 times 3 is 33. All right, and so now you can see that we have a normal equation. So since we're adding 15 and we're getting rid of x, trying to isolate x, we can move this positive 15 by subtracting 15 on both sides. All right, so now we have x equals, so the positive 15 and negative 15 cancel out, x equals 18. And that's the final answer. So of course, if you want to check your solution, you can, and you can let me know in the comment section below if that was correct or not. So now we're going to move on to another problem here. And so now with this problem, we have 2/5 x minus 4 equals 6. And so the fraction here, as you can see here, is 2/5, and the denominator is 5. So what I'm going to do is multiply every term by 5 to get rid of the fraction. So let's go ahead and set this up. So we're multiplying by 5. So we have 5, and that is times 2/5 x minus 4 equals 6 times 5. Okay, so now the left side times 5, right side times 5. Very important. Okay, so we're going to distribute this 5 to each term. So we're going to, let me use a different color here. So 5 times 2/5 x and 5 times negative 4. So I want you to see that the 5's cancel out, but we're left with 2x. So we'll write 2x here. That is 2x minus 5 times 4 is 20 equals 6 times 5 is 30. Okay, so we have to get rid of this negative 20 because the ultimate goal is to isolate x. So we can move negative 20 by adding 20 to both sides. So we'll add 20 on the left and on the right. And notice here that we have 2x equals 50. So now we're multiplying 2x. So we're going to take the inverse operation and we're going to divide by 2. And you can see here that the 2's cancel out. And we are left with x equals 25. And that is the final answer. So of course, you can check to find out if the solution is correct to make sure that x equals 25. All right, and I will say a common mistake here is multiplying only the fraction term. And if you multiply to get rid of fractions, you also have to multiply every term on both sides. So when fractions show up, don't panic. Just get rid of the fraction with the denominator, then solve the two-step equation like you normally would. So with that, keep practicing and stay tuned for more calm, clear math lessons right here on Math by TV.